LTR Stock Thursday. In this 1 minute video covering technical analysis, price predictions, and answering the question, is dollar tree stock a buy or not? So make sure to watch this video till the end. We're down 14% for the day. Even to give you more context, like for me to do this forecast, I'm using a strategy and system that has previously given me only 2023. And I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So with DLTR, let's go weekly chart. Boom. Even for the week, we're like 13% down. This is kind of the whole idea and directional bias that I have with the LTR from a higher time perspective. It's still exactly the same, so I'm still targeting these highs. Um, in all of these occasions, if the price started giving me the rules, I was surely going to be bullish. We came inside this demand area, and now it's coming a little bit lower. Man, this is a great demand area here in and of itself. So even right, don't really care that it's down that much. As long as the price starts giving me the shift like this in the ranges, I'm still relatively bullish. But under one rule, right? Under one rule and circumstance, and that's if the price gives me the rules and nothing other than that. So this is not financial advice. I'm just using my strategy and system that has previously given me wins. And check out the first link in the description for more sauce.